Turn that back on?
Huh?
Did you turn that back on?
Yeah, it was off.
Oh.
Well, I mean, not really this, but I turned it off a minute ago
And now it's back on.
now it's recording. So, I hope Darren's ready. Better be ready. My mommy says I fish her better than you. And Toby can come too. I'd like to see Toby come. I'm gonna talk trash on Toby. He might kick my ass. Huh? Who's drinking twisted tea?
Yeah.
No one in this freaking house.
Well, I hope not.
Probably blew in the yard and the kids tossed it.
Could be.
Sealing in that stern night wire.
Did they watch your channel?
I don't know.
didn't
You
get
guys watch my channel?
better.
Ooh, Aunt Joan said you better. I'll tell you from being raised by her, don't jack with her. I sent Darren a link today, so hopefully,
Yeah.
then hopefully he'll send it to his brother. So, gentlemen, and everybody else, let me show you what we've been doing. Of course, you saw the fast forwarded footage earlier, but lower this down.
Oh, I got this.
Get the damn cat out of the boat. What the, really? Abby? You peckerhead? Get out of the boat. Okay, so we mounted the stern light. You can see I had to do that. I was gonna go into the mount here, but yeah, that didn't work so well. So the front hatch, oops, well, you can't really see the wires now. You see the trash. But it goes down through here. Watch out, I'm not folding the legs up. Wiring runs all the way down through here. Watch out, kitchen. And it pops out right here. We're gonna silicone that hole. Can you see that? It's kind of an angle. Here you go. We're gonna silicone that hole too, so that one will be all sealed up. I just didn't want to lose the wires down inside while we were playing with it or working with it. Let me collapse out maybe a little bit. Alright, so, and then the LED fishing lights all the way around. Last video we did the anchor trolley, but now we've got all the LEDs all the way around my anchor creek. There we go. Alright. Now, LEDs all the way around. Green LEDs for pitching. All the way around, like the video of the fast forward showed. I figured I'd slow it down and show you. And so, the last of the projects, I did have the anchor show up. I'm gonna do that here in a minute. And anchor line is up there behind Mom. You can see it. I gotta get something to put that on. And rod holder. I do want to get one additional rod holder. I'm thinking, I don't know, there's not really much of a rail. Got the measurement on here, got it marked for the white bass and crappie, black bass, smallmouth bass. There's no anything on the spotted, Alabama or whatever. Striper at 18. And there's nothing on the gar or any of that. Paddlefish, you can't harvest those, put them back.
I fucking like that.
Alright, it's got the anchor and anchor line and float all set up. If you don't know, I've got a piece of advice once that works real well. Use a little clevis on here, on the bottom. zip tie your line with just a little zip tie up there. That way when you pull your line, it goes this way. But if you ever get stuck, that zip tie pops and then it pulls it backwards. And that way you can get it unstuck by pulling it backwards. So just real quick. So the silicone underneath here where it was sticking up, just to make sure it's good and sealed. Stern light, silicone the base of it around that hole. I have not siliconed this hole back here yet, right there, just because I'm going to wait until I get my power source in here and all that. So there's a splice, heat shrink, make these watertight, heat shrink, splice, positive, negative, silicone that hole. Got these wires coming up off the LEDs that wrap all the way around the boat. Positive, negative, and then these I'll probably just cut and cap off and silicone, probably wire nut them, and then silicone the inside of the wire nut really, really well. So that's pretty much it for this week. Got quite a bit done on it. Yeah, you can see I'm finishing on my phone. GoPros died. I didn't charge any of them. So they're all 5 dead. Anchor line's ready, anchor's ready, boat's ready, rod holder, stern light, green fishing lights all the way around because I love fishing at night. The stuff for the power box should be here in the next couple days, and I'll put that together, try to shoot a little video on that. The bow light's gonna be just like this one, but about, this is a, damn, I forget. 4-inch, 3 or 4-inch, I think. And the bow light back here, if I can, which it'll probably just be a surface wire. The one that's going to go right here is going to be a 12-inch, so it'll stick up much more. They say these have it's a 360-degree pattern and a 3 nautical mile visibility. They're only like 600 lumens, but they say it's a 3-mile visibility, so we'll see. If you know anything about flashlights, you know 600 lumens just isn't super impressive. I mean, it's good, but it's not just excellent. So there it is, all her 12 foot of glory, ready to go out. So there it is. Man, I'm stoked. I'm ready for Darren. Let's go fish. And Toby. Let me forget Toby. Both you guys. Oh, and I got the ruler down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It goes all the way out to like, man, it went all the way out to like 36 inches, 38 inches, but I didn't go that far because I'm never that lucky. But so I got the white bass and crappie measured at 10, largemouth bass at 14, which is also smallmouth, and then striper at 18. Guadalupe spotted and yellow bass have no restrictions on them, so I didn't worry about tagging those. It doesn't have a restriction. Like, I love bluegill. Bluegill are just amazing to eat, and they're fun as hell to catch on ultralight gear. But I figured since there's no restrictions on those, I'm not gonna put them. Same with alligator gar, pike, walleye. So I just let those cruise. So there it is. You just need to get your shit, get your stuff up to Abilene, and let's get ready. I'm gonna start throwing weekends at you. So all I need are yay or nay, and then we'll loop Toby in those messages. See if he wants to grab his and float around up there with us. And I'll let my peeps in Abilene know I'm coming too. So that's it for now. That's it. That's all I got. Well, except I gotta go pee. Pretty bad.